If you're looking for an easy, family-friendly beef stew, or better known as goulash recipe, you are in luck. I'm Victoria, the digital editor at NextHome, and today I will show you how to make a super easy beef goulash recipe using this Hamilton Beach programmable slow cooker. I'm super excited to demo this Hamilton Beach programmable slow cooker for you today and give you all of my first impressions. But if you want a general product overview, make sure to check out one of our last videos by clicking the link above. So to start, you'll need the following: 1 tablespoon of flour, pre-cut beef, butter, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, tomato passata, 1 carrot, 1 red pepper and 1 yellow pepper, and the spices, which are salt and pepper, paprika, 2 bay leaves, and some allspice. So before we begin, I've gone ahead and chopped up all of our vegetables into finely diced pieces and minced the garlic so that they're all ready to go into our slow cooker when we need them. Okay, so let's begin. Step 1. Turn on the slow cooker and set it to the low program. Step 2. If you aren't using pre-cut beef, cut the beef into small pieces and cover it with flour. Then fry in a pan on all sides using butter until it is golden brown. Step 3. Throw the seared meat into the bowl of the Hamilton Beach slow cooker. Step 4. Add in the sliced onion. Step 5. In the same pan, fry finely chopped garlic and then pour in the passata and bring it to a boil. Step 6. Pour the cooked passata into the bowl so that it completely covers the meat. Step 7. Then add in all of the spices. Step 8. Leave it to slow cook for 3 hours. Step 9. Once that is done, add in the carrots and the peppers. Step 10. Then let it slow cook for another 6 hours on the low program. Once the 6 hours go by, your goulash stew should be cooked and ready to serve. I personally decided to serve them with potato pancakes and a dollop of sour cream, and then I added some dill on top to add a bit of extra flavor. So here are my final thoughts on this Hamilton Beach slow cooker. I think this is a great portable appliance to add to your kitchen as it makes cooking delicious meals super easy and convenient. I found the buttons very simple and straightforward to use, and one of my favorite parts is that it kept my goulash warm after it was done slow cooking. This gave me enough time to cook my sides, which I made potato pancakes, and to get my table set up before eating. I'm excited to continue using it and to create more hearty and flavorful meals. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe button below and check out our website, nexthome.ca, for more lifestyle stories like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.